Hi kids, today we will read few words of sound O. O says O. When you will pronounce this sound, you will make your lips round like O. And now we will read few words of sound O.
D or dog. It is an animal. P or pot. People use it to keep water. R or rod. It is made up of some metal. F ox fox. It is a cunning animal. L or log. It is a wooden piece. K or cob. We love to eat cob. T or top. It is a toy. Beside this, upper part of something is also known as top. P or pod. And children, now we will do revision. Here we have to identify the pictures. L or log. So we will circle the log. M or bomb. Next is M or bomb. We have to circle the bomb. P or pot. We have to circle the pot. R or rod. We will circle the rod. T or top. We will circle the top of this hill. T or toy. We will circle the picture of toy. I hope you have understood the concept. Thank you.